Hi guys, so today I will discuss about a different topic, OT zones. As you can see in the slide, so this is about OT zones. Very important for the recent exam pattern change. This may be asked, right? Very important topic, OT zones, right? So this is a chart given. I will make it simpler for you. After that we will come back to the chart. So we are discussing today OT zones, right? So mainly as you already saw in the chart, there are mainly 4 zones, right? After that we will get back to the chart. So first zone is your protective zone. This you already know that first zone is protective zone, and this includes the change rooms, right? The transfer bays, means where the patient is kept before and after the OT procedures, while transferring from ward to OT or OT to ward, right? Then there are pre and post-op rooms, right? And ICU or PSU. These 4 comes under protective zone. I will repeat. First, while entering in the OT, we will meet this one, protective zone. This includes change rooms, transfer bay, pre and post-op rooms, ICU or PSU, right? Moving on. Then we will find the clean zone, right? So clean zone is that zone that connects protective to aseptic zone, right? This connects protective to aseptic zone, right? And this includes your equipment storage room or maintenance room or maintenance workshop, you can say. So these 2 comes under clean zone, correct? Okay, so next we will meet the aseptic zone. Aseptic zone, it is this zone where OT is performed, right? And at last we will meet disposal zone, right? In this we throw all the waste materials, this gauze and needles and drugs, everything that remains after the OT procedure in the disposable zone, right? So these are your 4 zones. I hope this is clear, very important. So first zone that we will meet is protective zone, where there is change rooms, transfer bays, pre and post-op rooms, ICU or PSU. Second zone is your clean zone, where that connects protective zone to aseptic zone, and there is equipment storeroom or maintenance workshop in the clean zone. Next is our aseptic zone, right, where the OT is performed, and final zone is our disposal zone, where we dispose of all the wastes. So this 4 is very important. Now coming back to our this one, see, so now you can understand the chart. This is aseptic zone, and from this is your protective zone. From this one we will go to a clean zone. Let me take a pen. Yes. So protective zone we will meet first, then we will go to the clean zone, then aseptic, and then disposal zone. Now you can understand the chart. It goes like this, right? Correct? Okay, so it cannot go like this way or this way. It will go like this only, from protective to disposal, right? And in nowhere you can interchange, or you can bypass one and go to another, right? So the proper zoning has to be maintained while performing and finishing of the OT, right? So questions has been asked, and are likely to be asked from here again, right? So it's a very important topic from exam point of view, right? So we will meet in another video. Hope this concept is clear, right? Thank you.